Bring that one over here, George. Quiet, Harley, please. What's wrong with that red one over there? Is the battery going dead on that one? Lord have mercy. Quiet, Harley. It's okay, baby. Harley, what did I just say to you? Quiet. Boat down, boat down. Boat down, boat down, boat down, boat down. One down, baby. Hey, you gotta get a hook there, a fishing hook on there, a net. Oh, boat down. Lord have mercy, he's trying to crash it now. Look at that, he's trying to get it to the side. That means it's shorting out. Hey, that means it's shorting out. Dang. Dang, it's all shorted out. He's rescuing it right there in that boat. Look at that, he's shaking it all out. Lord have mercy. Look at that. That's over. It's shorted out. Here it comes. Back in the race. Look at that thing cruising. Quiet, Harley. She's fixed up. There she is. Back in the race, baby. Good stuff. What'd you do, buy extra batteries and stuff? How many? It's like 3? Alright, folks. I think this is going to be it. They had to go rescue that one boat. Quiet, Harley, please. Duncan. What's the matter? You don't like the boats? You don't like the boats? Quiet! Quiet! Quiet, Harley. Duncan, it's okay, baby. It's okay, Duncan. Har. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Alright, bring the boat over here. I'm putting it on YouTube. Bring it over here. We'll put it on my little site.